Hey everyone, today we are having our second mini Wilson lesson since we've started our digital learning. Miss Juris is finally getting it all together. Anyway, so we're first going to start with going through our vowel sounds, our short vowel sounds. So here we go. Just say them with me. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, All right, now we'll move to some consonants. X, fox, x. Z, zebra, z. P, pan, p. All right, now we're going to move to some digraphs. Actually, we'll just do all the digraphs. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. And so these up here I did not get to cover on Tuesday, I don't think. They are ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. These are called glued letter, well, I guess they're also called a welded sound. All, am, and an. And the crazy thing about these three is that each of these words can stand alone. I have all of the potato chips. I am so bored. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So all of these words can stand alone, but they're welded sounds as well that can be added to words. And we went over these yesterday or Tuesday, so I'm going to skip over those. All right. So now we're going to go back. Doing vowel sounds is very beneficial to our group, but we're going to do the short and long of each one. A, apple, a. Say it with me. Safe, a. Ed, eh. Pete, e. Itch, I. Pine, I. Octopus, ah. Home, oh. You. Okay, it says up, mule, you. Rule, ooh. So you is the only one out of all the vowel sounds that has 3 different sounds it can make. All right, so there are different syllable types. We've talked about closed syllable, and we've started discussing open syllable, and we've also talked about this one as well, the VE syllable, meaning the vowel in the middle when there's an E at the end gives it the long sound. We also know this E is to be called the sneaky E. All right, so now we're just going to move on through these words and move to building words. So today we're going to focus on the spelling. So some of the words that we are going to spell today, well, it's funny because they all almost start with the letter S, and they all involve having 2 to 3 blends, meaning if it starts with a that's a 3-letter blend. So our first word that we're going to spell today with our cards is script. So that starts with an S. S, k, r, I. I says I. And then we hear this end called, it says pt, pt, when you break it apart. T. So this blend consists of a P and a T. When you go to your doctor and they give you a prescription, they write you a script for that prescription to take to your pharmacist. Or it can also be a play script, a script where you are learning your lines to a play. So that's our first word that we are going to spell with our cards today. Bear with Miss Juris as I put the letters back. Okay, next word that we will be spelling is going to be strap. 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 Once again, we have our S, T, and look, it's not going to be a 2-letter blend. It's going to be a 3-letter blend. Strap. Ah. So which vowel sound would that be? Ah. A, apple, ah. It would be an A. And then P, strap. P. So friends, if you'll look, there is actually a 3-letter blend here. And the A is making the short vowel sound. All right, now clearing this out and going back to a blank spelling area. All right, now I'm going to spell one more word on this board, and that word is splash. Splash. That will as well start with an S. Okay, so splash. The next letter is P. O, L. Ah, ah. And sh. That would be the SH. Now, a while ago, Miss Juris messed up on marking up my words, and I hope you all could tell what I did wrong. I was supposed to, when it's a blend, you underline the individual letters in that blend. This is a 3-letter blend. The L. And then that is a short vowel A. And then with the SH, that's where we underline the whole digraph. So blends, you underline each letter. The SH, you then underline all together because makes one sound. All right, friends. I gave you your dictation today as your warm-up of 5 words. I'm sorry, I'm having issues. Of 5 words that you were to spell. So I hope to see those as you turn them in after doing your warm-up. And those are all the words I'm going to spell today. Let me see if there was anything else I wanted to cover. I think that is about it for today. I don't want to keep you too long because I know you have other things to do for my class today. So I just wanted us to just use our cards and spell some words and go over our sounds. And I want you all to have a wonderful Thursday. Please do all of your work that is assigned and have a great day.